Jai Gurudatta. Guruji, my question is, what is positive thinking and what is realistic thinking? What should be the approach?
Positive thinking and realistic thinking, if you understand, are absolute opposites. They say, think positive, think positive. But then you have to understand, there are three types of thinking: the positive thinking and realistic thinking, but the most important element is negative thinking. Am I clear with you? There is negative thinking in your life. Things will go wrong. I may not be able to do it. I don't have the capacity to do it. I doubt whether I can fulfill it. I know I can do it. I know it is easy. I know I can achieve it. I know it is within my reach. Positive thinking. If you see, both are opposite to each other. But in this, in positive thinking, there is always a risk of overconfidence. In negative thinking, there is always a risk of pessimism. So what I try to keep and why I try to emphasize on reality thinking is, we do not want to be overly negative or we do not want to be overly positive. Remember, University of California, they say we have something called as, possibility bias. We see, for example, that's also called as prediction bias. See, for example, there are times where people, they have failed in their life or they have not prepared enough in their life, and when they are going to do something or achieve something in their life, and if you see, for example, a student, to give you more clarity, who has not studied well but who is going to write an exam, and when you say, how are you going to do, you say, somehow I will pass, because we predict all things will go good in the future. We have a prediction bias. We do not actually take facts into consideration and do not actually validate the facts and arrive at the conclusion or the prediction. We just somehow hope. For the future, we put in the element of hope. Am I clear with you? And in the name of confidence, why some businesses, for example, they plan their business, every venture of them turns into profit. There are so many people who enter into business and face a lot of loss. Now, what is the difference between a successful businessman and a failure businessman? If you understand, the successful businessman has considered the negative very much. And what can go wrong in my business, he calculated. And for everything, his mind came up with, this can go wrong, this can go wrong. He created a logical, judgmental and precise solutions for it. This can go wrong, so I create a process here that it doesn't go wrong. And he thought of so many negative, and he created so many logical solutions for this negative. On the top of it, he knows it will be successful. Then it is reality thinking. If you see, what is real, you think, I just open a business, I want to do, because I have created a product, people will buy it. There are a lot of companies who create a product, put it into the market, and then come to know that the market actually does not need this kind of product. Why is that so? Because they have a prediction bias. They know, they get an idea and they feel my idea will work because for me it works. Are you able to understand? So why I emphasize on this reality thinking, and why I say do not be too much positive thinking, be reality thinking, because remember, positive thinking involves a lot of prediction bias. No matter what, I will be successful. Reality thinking is based on logical and holistic thought, which includes positivity, negativity, And when you club both of them, when you take a negative thought and know how to counter it with a positive thought, the resultant is the reality, and that is the true reality of life. Because every human life or any life is designed to succeed, and so it's born to succeed. Reality thinking is the holistic thinking, where I have covered all the possibilities of failure with positive effort, with positive logic, and with positive scheme. When all this together happens, life is always a celebration of excellence. Life is always born to succeed because it is designed to succeed. Jai Gurudatta. Jai Gurudatta. Jai Jai Gurudatta.